Stiffwell. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday. It's crazy that I could put all this energy into this video because literally like 10 minutes ago I was crying. It's crazy. But you guys, that is basically what has inspired this video, is the fact that I need a little bit of creativity. You know, I want it, I got it, I'm about to go get it. So this video is exactly what it says. It's a manifestation Monday. I really just wanted to get on here today, motivate you guys, share with you guys some of my trials and tribulations from the week, and then we're going to be creating a vision board. So without further ado, Stiffwell, let me stop. Without further ado, we are going to go to the store. We're gonna go get a couple things. I'm not really sure what I'm getting yet. I know I don't want the like, you know, the basic tacky like vision board type of ordeal that people do. I kind of want to get like some, you know, cute stuff, but I also don't like colorful stuff, so it has to be either black, white, or gray, which is also basic in a way. So just gotta be aesthetic. So that's what we're gonna do, you guys. And then also throughout this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I create my vision board, and then also talking to you guys as well. So it's an awesome video. I am back, you guys. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling creative. I'm actually feeling creative as I'm also feeling defeated, which is weird because I don't feel good. Like, I'm literally on the verge of tears, but I also want to share that with you guys and just be creative and like just be authentic. Like, shit, everybody goes through something. Let's fucking get through it together, you know what I mean? So like, without further ado, let's go to the store. We're gonna get our vision board, we're gonna get our stuff, and then we're gonna come back to the house and we're gonna get it all done. Did I just wipe my lipstick off my mouth? Yeah, basically. All right, well, let's go. I almost want to get like some letters and spell out manifest, but I really feel like that's like OD extra. What y'all think? Oop, I found an M. Hold up. Alright, so I'm gonna put the M right here. Let's see. No. Oh, found an I. Getting somewhere. Ooh, found an F. Oh, period. Just gotta be one. Oh, found an N. Alright, so we getting somewhere. We're making some kind of progress, but from the way these letters look, I don't think I'm gonna find all the letters. All right, y'all, so the letter thing did not work out, but that's okay. Got our board right here. Alrighty, so now we have to get the big kid glue stick. Oh yeah, scissors. All right, y'all, we got our board, we got our supplies. Now, we just need our vision. So we in here. We are in the car trying to fix this hot ass mess of a hair. But yeah, we're in the car. Kind of just got up, got dressed, and I was like, you know what? I want to do a video today. I want to post a manifestation Monday, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna film that video, film some other videos, take some pictures for some content, and do some IG TV videos, and just really just jump back in head first. Because I think like the biggest thing with me is like, I'm always like, okay, I'm gonna start Monday, or I'm gonna start this day, I'm gonna start that day. But like, you really don't have to put a day on when you start. Who says you have to start on New Year's? Who says you have to start on the 1st of the month? It's what, the 20th, and I'm starting right now. It doesn't matter when you start. You can go through obstacles or things that are gonna come up, so just do it when you wanna do it, and that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it when I wanna do it, and I'm doing it with you guys. So honestly, the thing that really brought on this video was just, I was wondering like, what should I post on YouTube? Like, what do you guys want to see from me? Like, you know, what would like also get me views too? Like, what is going to help me like grow on YouTube? And I was like, why don't I do something that's going to help me, and then just like let you guys come along with me? Because I was watching Kim Kardashian's like Hollywood, whatever it's called or whatever, and she was just talking about how the way that she really blew up on social media, and how she kind of started, you know, ads and like Fashion Nova ads and people hashtagging ad and putting it in their caption, was just by letting like, you know, her fans and like her supporters and her followers, or whatever you want to be called, just like go along with her and like pick things. And I always tell people to do that. I'm like, you know, post polls, let people feel like they're, you know, included. So now, like one of my favorite YouTubers, Aaliyah's Face, if any of you guys are subscribed to the gorgeous Aaliyah's Face, love her so much. And I love the fact that over the years, I've followed her for years, and I've literally watched her, you know, succeed in life, and like watch her go from one level to the next, and watch her, you know, just do all the things she said she was gonna do, and like actually, you know, do them with grace, stay humble, and just, you know, it's just super inspiring. So like watching her grow, I want to be able to like watch myself grow too. And the way that she's always like included us, like, because I'm one of her followers, I'm one of her fans, the way she's always included us, the way that she's always showed us like it is what it is, like this is my life now, this is my life before, like this is my old car, this is my new car, you know, she's always just kept it 100% real with us. So like I want to do the same and just kind of be inspired by how she's so transparent, and just kind of take you guys on the journey with me, because a lot of the changes that I've made in my life as far as like credit and like the way I carry myself, like she's inspired a lot of that too. So I just wanted to kind of like give you guys what she's been able to give me, because it's changed my life for the greatest. So just wanted you guys to hear that. But we are home now, so let's get back in the house. Okay, so majority of people don't have like a printer in their home, because who needs a printer if you're not constantly using a printer? See, I ship orders and stuff, so of course I need a printer. So I'm going to use my computer to print out some pictures for my vision board. But if you don't have a printer, or you don't want to go to the library, because I don't think libraries have color, I don't know if they do or not. But like if you're thinking about upgrading like your bedroom furniture, I know me and my cousin were just talking about her like buying new furniture, or buying a new bedroom set, or you know, anything just simple. Like she's thinking about buying a new bedroom set, or a new comforter, or, you know, any kind of decorations and stuff. And if you guys want, you can use a magazine. So we are going to just go on Google. So one of the first things that I do want in 2020 is a 800 credit score. Yes, that is like the first thing. That's what I've been working on literally all year. That's really all I want. So this is like a perfect picture right here. But I'm also very guys, pay attention to the pop-ups. I'm also very like not OCD, because I don't want to use the term OCD because I don't have OCD, and I don't want to like downplay people who do, but I definitely just need things to be like perfect. So I actually found this one, so I'm going to print that. Yes, our first vision. Okay, so I actually found a quote that said an 800 credit score has more purchasing power than $100,000. So I'm going to use this one because I like that. And then so that is the first thing that I want, is perfect credit. So then next, I also want to have a savings account of, I want to say 6 figures, but that is like, that's high. Okay, let's just set a super simple, super easy goal. So let's do savings account of 20,000, because that's totally doable. So let's do 20K. 20K, 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 20K. Because we need a picture. We don't need a chart. The chart is what's going to help me reach the goal, but we need a picture of the goal. So we can do this one. Okay, so we have our credit score, we have our savings account. Now I also, in 2020, want to open my own office. And I do want it to have, I want it to be 2 floors, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be 2 floors yet. So I have to actually have work for people to do. And this is perfect. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so perfect. The open plan office. Oh, open plan, okay. I was about to say, I would be the plain office girl. But yeah, I just wanna take a little piece of this. And for this one, I'm actually gonna open up a document. That's why it's a lot easier for you to actually just go ahead and use magazines, but I feel like that's like kind of tacky and kind of hard. Side note, guys, how nice are my nails? Okay, you're distracted. All right, you guys, so now we have all of our pictures, our supplies and everything. I think I'm gonna go print out a couple more quotes and then we can get started on cutting everything out. Kane, what would you put on your vision board if you could make one? Milkworms? Toys? Treats? A new bed for Christmas? Look guys, we are done. We finished our vision board. And guys, I'm not going to actually put like a year on this or a date or anything like that because I'm not gonna put a timeline on it. You don't have to start on New Year's. You don't have to start any day other than today. So when you're ready, you start. You don't have to start on the 1st. You don't have to start on New Year's. You start when you are ready to start. So let's take it into my office because that's where we're going to manifest. Let's look at it really quick. So quick a run through. So we got our perfect credit, our 800 credit, and then I put a house on here because me and Babe are going to buy a house next year and our budget is going to be 700,000. And so we do really want a modern house with like a nice pool. So this one starts at 700 all the way to 1.2 million. And then of course I got my 20K in savings on there. Then I have his and hers. So we are going to be getting the Porsche Cayenne and then also gonna get an Audi, and that's gonna be our cars. Funny thing is, this car was actually the equivalent price to my car, and I didn't even want that car at the time. But then I keep seeing it everywhere on like YouTube and like people I follow, and like I know people who wanted it. I want it and I'm like, I like it. I like the roof and I love it. So it's either gonna be that or a Range Rover. So I just went ahead and printed these two out. And then this truck is actually gonna be for our business. I'm gonna sit down. So this truck is gonna be for our business because we already are in the process of buying a cash truck. So we want to also like buy a brand new truck, so brand new equipment. And then we also want to hire, so we're in the process of hiring one person, but we want to hire like multiple people and have like multiple people go out every morning and, you know, have like at least 2 teams or at least 2 trucks and have multiple people in each truck, and they go out and, you know, get all of our jobs done. And then also for me, I want the nice office, fill up all these chairs with my team. Then I got the yes you can, because some days I just feel like I can't do this. Yes you can. And then over here I just have like these little pins that I cut out because I love these. I use them a lot on Instagram, so I put the little pins all over the place and I think they're just the cutest. And then I did a little ugly uneven dotted line. But so then I have Greece, Mexico, Paris, LA, and then Jamaica, and I also had New York. Where's my New York? I don't think I printed my New York out. Okay, so yeah, this is Jamaica, this is Greece, this is Paris, this is Mexico, this is LA, and then I also forgot to print out New York, but New York is supposed to be right here too, so I'll just add that. That's right in this. But yeah, guys, that is my vision board that I'm going to manifest next year or whenever, because we're not gonna put, you know, a day on this. But super excited that I finally came out of my shell and did this, because I used to talk so much shit about vision boards. If you want to drag me in the comments, feel free to. If you want to subtweet me, sis, do it. I used to drag fucking vision boards so bad, but my brain has honestly just been all over the place lately, and I just needed some kind of direction and some kind of like positivity and just a reminder of what I want and why I'm working so hard. So that's why I did this. So guys, I hope you do your vision boards. If you do, tag me in it, send it to me on Instagram, send it to me on Twitter, post it on Twitter and tag me, post it on Instagram and tag me. If you do a YouTube video, make sure you send it to me so I can watch it and thumbs up and subscribe to your channel, and then comment below some of the things you want to manifest in 2019. So, or 2020, what year am I in? So guys, comment below some of the things that you want to manifest. Let me know. I wanted to flip the camera to be a little more personal, but let me know some of the things that you guys are going to manifest either this month, next month, whatever. It could be a new job, a new promotion coming up. I just want to know. Just tell me. So guys, go ahead and comment below. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and watch one of these videos right here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.